Welcome. Front of me is a WIEPPO S5 and today I will show you how to reset the device through factory mode. Now to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time, and keep holding them till you see the WIEPPO logo, at which point you can let go. Give it a second and it will load into it, and there we go. So we are right now in the factory mode. So in this mode you will use volume down to navigate. As you can see, volume up does basically nothing, and from here scroll down to the third option from the bottom, which has the word eMMC or letters eMMC, and once it's selected, press power key, confirm it. This is basically clear MMC, which is a factory reset. Confirm it with power key, give it a second. It's basically formatting data, and once it's finished it will automatically reboot. So give it about a minute or two and we should be done in the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.